Did you know that shoulder slope can completely change the fit of a garment? Understanding shoulder slope is one of the most important basics in pattern making. Shoulder slope is the angle or drop from the high neck point to the shoulder tip. This slope varies from person to person and directly affects garment fit, armhole fit, and shoulder appearance. Generally, male body type have higher shoulder slope than female body type. To understand shoulder slope clearly, we use a horizontal line from the high neck position as a reference line. Lower the shoulder tip falls from this line, the greater the shoulder slope. It is broadly classified into three main types, based on the body posture and skeletal structure of the body. Type 1. Average or standard shoulder type. Standard sloped shoulders are the most common body type. The shoulder falls naturally with a balanced slope, about 20 degree to 30 degree from the horizontal neckline, creating comfortable or easy garment fitting. Standard shoulder slope for a female body type is 1.5 inch to 2 inch and 2 inch to 2.5 inch for male body type. Type 2. Steep sloped shoulder. Steep sloped shoulders have a noticeable downward angle, greater than 30 degree. According to traditional tailoring and pattern making practice, about 2 inch to 2.75 inch for a female body type and about 2.5 inch to 3 inch for male body type. Type 3. Square shoulders. Square shoulders have almost no slope, much flatter and more horizontal angle, less than 20 degree, in the pattern. Typically, square shoulder measurements, about 1 inch to 1.25 inch for female, 3/4 inch to 1 inch for male. Women usually have slightly more shoulder slope than men, so extremely square shoulders are less common. Correctly identifying shoulder slope helps improve garment fit, armhole balance, and overall silhouette. That's why observing body structure carefully is essential in professional pattern drafting. Follow for more pattern making tutorials.